Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Microsoft certification, that is the going on Microsoft certification week on September 2025. So they will provide the AI cloud and security partner program. So with that we'll get the Microsoft certification voucher. So Microsoft and Fastland present the certification week that is for the cloud and AI platform plus security. So welcome to the Asia certification week, that is 22 September to 26 September 2025. The registration link is https:// then is certweeks.fastland.net/en-us/asia/AZSCCEN. So open this link, just copy this link and open. So when you paste and open this link, this page will open, and this is the page for the first lane, and this in the partnership with the Microsoft. And Microsoft and Fastland present the certification week, that is a cloud and AI platform plus security. So welcome to the Asia certification week, that is a 22 September to 26 September, and this is the English language. So accelerate your path to certification. So for that, just join for a focus training exercise experience to help you fast track Microsoft certification and build in demand skill in Azure AI, infrastructure, cybersecurity, threat protection, and more. Designed to beginner and intermediate learners. This expert led week includes live training, interactive labs, and practical guidance to help you grow your technical skills and support your organization Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program skill goals. Who should attend? So, idea for the Microsoft partner in the technical roles including IT professionals, technical specialists, solution architects, security practitioner, developers, data professionals. So, whether you are starting your certification journey or advancing your skill, this training is tailored to support your success. So, why you should attend? This is the main question. So, focus learning covers and key certification content across cloud, AI, and security. Live instruction, 5 days of training across 12 certification led by the sensor expert. Real world relevance, apply skill to the customer scenario with the hands-on on lab, flexible format, attend virtually, and balance learning with the your beloved hours. Local access, session delivered in the English and accessible from anywhere. So hands-on lab, limited availability, secure your spot in the exclusive live labs available on the first come, first serve basis. So labs are delivered the partnership with the scalable and will be available for the 30 days from the event start. So for registering consent or the share the detailed scalable privacy policy lab are only available to the participants who attend the live session. Okay. So save your seat, register below, join the live event. So participants who attend and complete all 5 days in their certification track will be eligible to earn 100% discounted exam voucher. So this is the main thing. Exam voucher will be limited to one person. So one person, one voucher will get. So schedule 1 to 4 accelerate training is sprint and day 5 exam preparation. So 22 September, 23 September, 24, 25th, and 26th. There is a 8 to 10, there is a 3 are there. 10:30 to 12:30 there is a 3. So like this all the certification AZ 305 designing Microsoft Azure infrastructure solution, AZ 500 there is a security technologies, AZ 104 Microsoft Azure administrator, DP 300 this is implement scalable database solution using the Azure SQL, GS 300 that's a GitHub Copilot, SC 100 Microsoft Cyber Security Architect, DP 600 there's a Fabric Analytics Engineer, 204 401 Information Security Administrator, AI 102 Develop AI Solution in Azure, SC 200 there's a Microsoft Security Operations Analyst, SC 300 there's a Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator. Main thing is that how it works. So one, choose your certification path and submit your registration request. Then wait for the confirmation of your registration via email. Attend accelerated training session each day. Every day you have to attend. Then complete lab exercise on the self-study approx 1 hour per day per certification. Redeem your official Microsoft achievement code to receive your certificate of completion. Schedule and take your exam. Choose your certification path and register now. So don't get rejected. Please be sure about that using your organization and business email address only. Registration submitted using the public domain email addresses, Gmail or Outlook, etc. will be rejected. So put your name, company name, job title, email, country, department, location and city. Choose your session. So click the event and select it. So click it again to deselect. So you can register for the one course each timeline. So there is a 3 courses in one timeline. So you can select one, just like if selecting this and selecting this. So one timeline. If you select 104, it won't allow. So if you're selecting 104, then you have to select 104. So like that, each timeline you have to select one, like that 204, 200. So you have selected. Now click here to check and complete your verify your captcha, then verify. So done. Now you can click the register. After registration, you will get a mail before the event start. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free Microsoft Certification Week voucher on September 2025. This is a AI Cloud Security Partner Program. So you need the business email address for that. So step by step process I have shown to you. I have discussed about that. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.